Today, we'll be making some delicious spinach puffs. You will need all-purpose flour, fine sea salt, unsalted butter, frozen chopped spinach that's thawed, crumbled Greek feta, crumbled goat cheese, a chopped mixture of herbs including dill, parsley, and mint, 4 scallions that are thinly sliced, 4 large eggs, some pepper, and finally, sesame. Let's get started. Before we begin, we must wash our hands for 20 seconds with hot, soapy water to prevent cross-contamination, which can lead to foodborne illness. To make the dough, we start off by whisking together our salt and flour while slowly adding 177 milliliters of cold water. Keep mixing until we form a lean dough. Next, roll the dough into a 7 by 7 inch square and place it in the fridge to rest. Meanwhile, form a 4 by 4 inch square of butter, using flour as needed to keep it from sticking. Butter is a crucial ingredient when forming our dough because it yields the pastry's only leavening agent, steam. When heated, butter will melt and produce steam, which becomes trapped within the pastry's gluten matrix. As the solid butter melts and steam is released, hundreds of flaky holes, or puffs, are left behind. After letting the dough and butter rest for 30 minutes, place the butter on top of the dough like so, and fold the corners of the dough around the butter. Now, roll the dough into a 12 by 16 inch rectangle and fold the top third towards you and the bottom third away from you to complete the first fold. Turn the dough 90 degrees and repeat this rolling, folding, and turning process a total of 6 times, allowing the dough to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes every 2 folds. After the 6th fold, place the dough in the fridge overnight. To make the filling, place the spinach in a medium bowl along with the feta cheese, goat cheese, herbs, scallions, 2 eggs, salt, and pepper. Toss gently to combine and set aside until ready to use. Adjust the oven rack in the middle position and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Roll the dough to 12 by 16 inches and cut off any excess. Next, use a knife to cut 9 4 by 4 inch sheets and place them on the baking sheet lined with parchment. In a bowl, whisk 2 eggs until the yolks are combined, and place about 2 tablespoons of filling in each 4 by 4 square. Brush the egg wash along the 4 edges of the 4 by 4 square. Now, take 2 diagonal corners of a 4 by 4 and meet them in the middle. Do the same with the other 2 unfolded diagonal corners. Brush more egg wash over the entire pastry to achieve browning via the Maillard reaction. Finally, sprinkle with sesame seeds and place them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown, rotating the baking sheet halfway through baking. In this recipe, conduction plays a key role as heat is transferred directly from the baking sheet to the bottom of the pastries. This ensures the base develops a crisp and golden texture while the dough cooks evenly from the bottom up, complementing the baking process. After the desired color is achieved within the 20 to 30 minute range, take the spinach puffs out and let rest for 5 minutes before serving. When storing the dish, it must not be left within the temperature danger zone range of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 2 hours continuously or 4 hours cumulatively. This is because eggs are temperature controlled for safety food and thus encourage rapid bacterial growth. Thanks for watching and enjoy your puff pastry spinach puffs.